We're almost up. Zachary, we're almost up. Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, are you recording? No.
Jasmine, are you ready?
Are you recording me? I have brownie in my mouth.
Yeah. Robin.
Someone's getting fat.
Whoa. Our lights.
Thank you.
Zach, are you ready to be awesome?
What is that? Is that some kind of fruit?
Does it sound like her mom?
Jocelyn, did you get your boobs all worked out?
Yeah, I got my boobs done.
Everybody's got their boobs done in one act today. Chance, are you ready? Oh, Chance. You ready, Steven?
I don't like pictures.
We're recording. Huh?
That's nothing.
Zach's being a fool.
Should I put some money in here? I will.
Are you ready, Lauren?
Oh, I'm ready.
Little P?
What? Oh, can I borrow your phone?
Miss Mesa? And Lou's over there.
Someone.